Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. This Spanish session will be on comparatives. Now, as you know, in English, comparatives are words which help to compare between two things. You can say something is more something, or you can say something is less. When you are comparing, you use adjectives. In English, you usually simply add ER. For example, to the word tall, which is an adjective, if you want to say someone is taller, you simply add ER. In Spanish, however, this is not the case. You cannot simply add ER to an adjective to make it compare to another person. Instead, you have to use the words más que for more than and menos que for less than. I will show you how this is done. If we were to use the same adjective in Spanish for tall, which is alto, we have to say más alto que, which translates to more tall than, although in English we really say taller than. I will show you a sentence where this is used. First, we have the sentence, Jorge es alto, which means George is tall. If we were to compare George's height with someone else, let's say his friend Juan, who he is taller than, then we would have to say Jorge es más alto que Juan, which means George, which is Jorge translated into English, George is taller than John. One translated into English. As you see, to say taller, we cannot simply do as we do in English and put ER. We have to put más before your adjective, your describing word, and then que, which, as I said before, means more something than somebody else. Let's use a different adjective to show you how this is done again. Just a reminder, remember that más always goes before your adjective and que always goes right after. There should be no other words in between más or que when comparing someone or something to somebody else. Let me show you another one. What if we have the word ruidoso, which means noisy? This also also is an adjective. So we can say las ambulancias son ruidosas. Now, why did we change ruidoso to ruidosas? Well, your noun is feminine because of the A, so we also need an A for your adjective. And it is plural because of the S, so we also need an S for your adjective. So as we see here, ambulances are noisy. Las ambulancias son ruidosas. What if we were to compare ambulances to another type of vehicle? Let's say simply cars. Then we know that ambulances are noisier in English than cars. How would we say that in Spanish? We are still going to use más and que with the adjective in between both of those words. Think about how that will be formed while I write it and see if your assumption was correct. So here we have the ambulances are more noisy or noisier than the cars. Las ambulancias son más ruidosas que los carros o los coches. So now you know how to do comparatives when speaking about something that is more than something else. How about if you have to say something is less than something else? How do we do that? I will show you now. If we were to use the same adjective noisy, but we were to change our sentence, we would say, perhaps cars are less noisy than ambulances, so you change the order. In that way, you will no longer be able to use más because you cannot say more. Saying less than in Spanish would now be menos que, and menos que works just as más que. This means that you need to put menos, your adjective, and then que to form your comparative when something is less than something else. Let me show you how this is done. So first we have here, los coches no son ruidosos, which means cars are not noisy. So to compare that to a vehicle which is a lot noisier, like ambulances, we would say cars are less noisy than ambulances. That would be the direct translation. And to say that, we would have to write cars are less noisy than ambulances. That literally is your translation. Less than is menos que. Remember, for both menos que and más que, your adjective has to fall in between both of these comparative words. Whether you are saying less than or more than, the structure of your sentence should remain the same. I will put the translation for this sentence directly translated, and then we will do one more example. Remember that this structure is only used for comparative adjectives, which means when you compare two things. I will show you further when you have to compare more than two things when we are doing superlatives. But remember that más que and menos que only applies to two things being compared. For example, in this case, cars and ambulances. And in the example before, between Jorge and his friend Juan. Let's do one more example for menos que. So here we have the adjective caro, which means expensive. And now we are saying, this book, este libro, es menos caro que este cuaderno. Is less expensive than this exercise book or notebook. Libro would refer more to a textbook or to a novel, whereas cuaderno refers to an exercise book or notebook. So in this case, again, we follow the structure that you should know by now. Menos, an adjective, and then que. Remember that this can only be used to compare two nouns. In this case, libro, a book, and cuaderno, a notebook. So this textbook is less expensive than this notebook. Keep in mind that comparatives have to still agree with the nouns that they qualify. In this case, libro is singular and masculine, so your adjective is also singular and masculine. If you remember before, when we were looking at the noun ambulancias, your adjective also had to agree with that noun, making it plural and feminine. So that would have changed ruidoso to ruidosas. Keep these rules in mind even when doing comparison of adjectives because they still apply. Just to recap, más que is the manner in Spanish in which you would say more than. Less than would be translated as menos que. To be able to say these in a sentence, you need to place your adjective in between más que or menos que. As we see here, menos caro que. Your adjective has to agree in number and in gender with the noun that it qualifies. And finally, remember when using más que or menos que, this is done with comparison of adjectives or comparatives. This means that only two things can be compared using this method. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com.